Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make beignets from Tiana full guide. Preheat oil to 375 degrees F, combine yeast, warm milk, and sugar, then let dough rise until doubled. Roll to 5 inches thick and cut squares. Fry until golden and dust heavily with powdered sugar for authentic taste. Use fresh oil in small batches to keep temperature steady. Serve warm with coffee, and enjoy the crisp exterior and airy interior like Tiana's classic recipe. Start by assembling all ingredients on the bench: flour, active yeast, sugar, salt, warm milk, eggs, butter, and powdered sugar for finishing. Weigh flour for consistent texture and use 5 inches rolling thickness for even frying. Measure oil temperature with a thermometer and keep it at 375 degrees F, frying in batches to avoid cooling. Chilled dough fries unevenly. Rest dough briefly between steps and use a stand mixer for best gluten development. But gentle. Mix yeast with warm milk and a pinch of sugar to activate, then blend with flour, salt, eggs, and softened butter until smooth. Cover and let rise until doubled. Punch down, roll to 5 inches and cut into squares. Heat oil to 375 degrees F, fry 1 to 2 minutes per side until golden, drain on paper towels, and dust heavily with powdered sugar before serving. Serve immediately and pair with chicory coffee or a sweet dipping sauce for extra richness.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.